Hello everyone and welcome to a new vlog. So it's Friday today and I thought I'll do a little weekend vlog. I just finished my breakfast as you guys saw, and then I got a little PR package. I did a quick unboxing of that and on my Instagram as well. And then I'll probably later on in the vlog I'll show you guys what I got, talk a little bit more about the product. I need to film some content today, but I don't know if I will be able to because it's super overcast, and then it's sunny, then it's overcast, and then it's sunny. So I don't want my footage to be all over the place. So I don't know if I'm going to film today. Also, my tripod, there's something wrong with my tripod. I think it's broken. It is a very flimsy, old, cheap tripod, so I think we might need to go to the shops to get a new one. So I'm going to bring you along with that, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Okay, so I'm quickly going to go to Game or wherever I can find a tripod because mine broke. Fun time. So this is what we are dealing with. This is the OOTD. Just super chill. So let me take you along finding a new tripod. So turns out my tripod was broken. Luckily I got a new tripod, so I'll do a little unboxing of that. It wasn't that expensive. It was around about 600 and something rand, so not that expensive. It looks really sturdy and I think it's a great make. I'm not sure, I don't know tripods that well. And then we also bought a cake, so yeah, I'll probably gonna have that later. So let me do that unboxing of the tripod. I'm so excited, by the way. I'm done struggling with a flimsy tripod. So this is the beautiful tripod that I got. It's the Voyager T3000. It's a lightweight tripod. Height is around about 1.5 meters. The minimum height is 600 millimeters, which is around 60 centimeters. Weight it can take is 3.5 kilos, which is actually very nice because I don't think my camera is that heavy, but if I do get a bigger camera or whatever, I can just use that. So it comes with the little black bag that you can put the tripod in when you're traveling or whatever, and also comes with a plastic bag like this. Comes with a level for the camera. So I'm going to test the tripod out. I'm going to put the camera on, do a little PR unboxing, talk about the products that I got, and then I don't think I'm going to do my nails. I'll most probably do that on Saturday or Sunday, I don't know, but I will show you guys everything. Tell you guys about this humongous box that I got. The Collab dry shampoo. Wow, it smells like perfume. And the brand that I'm doing a campaign with is Pretty by Flormar. So they are doing like a Black Friday campaign. So if you buy 3 things in the store from the 26th of November until the 29th of November, you buy 3 things and you only pay for 2. So yeah, beautiful shampoo and conditioner from Creighton's. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. So it's the Argan Smooth conditioner and shampoo with argan oil from Morocco. And then the last one, it's the White Glow Charcoal Deep Stain Remover plus Sensitive Relief toothpaste, and I do, as well as the charcoal powder. So that is all for the unboxing. So I'm going to just, you know, chill it out. The weather is up and down the whole time, so I don't think I'm going to film, so it's gonna just be a chill little day. I'll most probably just do some planning, so let me go do that, and have my second cup of coffee for the day. Third cup of coffee for the day, and maybe reply some Instagram comments. So oh, let me go do that. Sunday everyone. So today I'm going to do my nails. Today is just a very overcast and lazy Sunday, so I am just going to chill. So this morning bright and early we went for a little walk. I think it was around about 6:30 or just past 6. It was so much fun. We took my dog with and he's completely wiped out. I'm just going to do my nails for the week. I'll show you guys how I do that and what kind of brand I use. So let me get started. And the gel that I'm using is actually for mascara. I'll eat from mascara. And then the lamp that I'm using is Sun 9S, and it just literally looks like this, and then it just lights up. So I just finished my nails. I think they look so pretty. I actually got the inspiration from Sailor Dean. Honestly love white nails, and I didn't want to do the like cliched red. that everyone does, and it's more of like a winter color to me anyways. So I did the milky white with the mascara gelette nail gel, and yeah, it's currently dripping outside. I love this weather. I love it when it's moody and cloudy, except when I have to create content. I didn't create any content on Saturday. I was so lazy. I didn't create any content today except for vlogging and doing my nails, so let's hope Monday is a better day to create content with. But yeah, this weekend was super busy yet super lazy at the same time. Such a weird weekend, but I think I'm going to end the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Also give this video a like if you loved this video, and to show some of your support. I hope you guys have a wonderful morning, evening, night, wherever you are, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
So tell me now, can we find